The 2017 Ram 1500 Night Package. Black-themed trim packages are all the rage these days, and Ram isn't letting an opportunity slip away. New for the 2017 model year, Ram is offering the Night Package on its Ram 1500 truck with the Sport trim level. In keeping with its name, the option package brings a slew of dark trim pieces and accents, giving the truck an aftermarket look straight off the showroom floor. Much like our incredibly successful Ram Rebel, the Ram 1500 Night fills the growing customer demand for factory custom trucks, said Mike Manley, head of Ram brand, FCA, Global. Truck enthusiasts want vehicles that define their personality and style. The new Ram Night Package builds upon the Ram Sport, one of the best-looking trucks on the road, and adds blackout details that custom truck enthusiasts revere. The Night Package builds off the mid-grade Sport trim, which already comes decently equipped. The truck can be had with either the 3.6-liter Pentastar V-6 or the optional 5.7-liter Hemi V-8. Both 2WD and 4WD are available, as is every cab and bed option. This includes the regular cab, quad cab, and crew cab, with both long and short beds available. The Sport trim already comes with a monochromatic paint scheme, including body color bumpers, mirror caps, and door handles. So what makes the Night Package different from the standard Ram 1500 Sport? Keep reading to find out. Continue reading to learn more about the Ram 1500 Night Package. What makes the Ram 1500 Night Package special? The monochromatic paint scheme from the Sport trim level continues onto the Night Package, but several key changes are made. Up front, the grille and its surrounding halo are colored in a flat black. The grille's inserts, which Ram calls the hex perf pattern, and are also black. The same flat black is used on the door badging and massive Ram logo on the tailgate. If it looks familiar, it should. This is the same Ram logo uses on the Ram 1500 Rebel. If optional equipment like the Hemi and 4WD are ordered, those badges are also blacked out. The Night Package also brings a set of unique 20-inch aluminum wheels colored in a gloss black. 275/60ths R Series all-season tires wrap the 5-spoke wheels. The Night Package can be had in 5 color choices. They are bright silver metallic, bright white, brilliant black, flame red, and granite crystal metallic. Inside, the Sport comes with high back bucket front seats with a full center console. A heated steering wheel and front seats helps fight cold mornings. When fitted with the quad cab or crew cab option, the rear bench comfortably seats 3 passengers. When cargo room is needed, the bench folds upward, revealing a foldable cargo shelf that makes a flat loading surface. 2 in-floor storage boxes offer extra room for stuff. They are also semi-insulated and include a drain plug, essentially making them built-in coolers. The long list of factory options remains unchanged. Things like the 4-corner air suspension system and the Rambox bed storage system are popular options. Ram is also pushing customers to shop its wide range of dealer-supplied add-on accessories. These include the dual-purpose bed extender and divider, Sport performance hood, and black running boards. Performance accessories from Mopar include a cat-back exhaust system and cold air intake. The 2017 Ram goes into production in the beginning of the 4th quarter of 2016 and will arrive in dealerships shortly after. Official pricing is still under wraps, but don't expect the Ram 1500's standard price to dramatically increase. The Night Package will likely carry a price of $2,995. At least that's the price Ram changed for the 2016 Ram 1500 Stinger Yellow Sport Package.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.